Left elbow to left knee, tap and touch. Extend the arm back. Plant the left hand down, upper push-up plank, right toes lift, right knee, right elbow, tap. Reach the right leg back and then step the right foot through. Inhale, rise up, warrior one. Exhale, hands down, step to upper push-up and lower. Inhale, cobra or up dog, you flow. Exhale, downward facing. Inhale to plank. Exhale, side plank to the blade of the left foot. Right arm up and overhead. Right elbow, right knee, tap and touch. Extend the arm back. Inhale the arm to the sky, plant it down to plank, lift the left toes, left knee, left elbow, tap. Left toes float back. Left foot steps through. Inhale, rise up, warrior one. Exhale, plant the hands, step back and lower slow. Cobra up dog, inhale. Downward facing dog as you exhale. And we just have 2 more rounds of this, starting to integrate that element of fire. And can you stay steady within the heat as it arises? Using the body as that catalyst for full presence. You know how to do hard things. You know how to be here when the heat kicks up a notch. Inhale, press back. Exhale, look forward, step or float. Flat back, deep breath in. Forward fold, deep breath out. Share pose, inhale, that pose of fire. Exhale, stand, hands to the heart. Rebend the knees, inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, forward fold, melt. Inhale, heart extends out. Exhale, plant the hands, float back. Up dog on your in-breath. Down dog on your out-breath.